Jai Sriman with all of his great stable mind and standing on his father's words, Ramachandra Swami very gently rejected Bharata's request. All people got surprised to see that. Tad adbhutam sthiryam avekshya. All people got wondered to see such a great stable mind of Ramachandra Swami. After seeing his sthiryam, after seeing Rama's stable mind, all the people at once, avapadukhitaha, they all moved to tears. While moving to tears, they are also appreciating such a great mindset of Ramachandra Swami. Jano Harsham, people are expressing their great happiness after seeing their leaders' stable mind. And also all of them at once saying that, "Oh Rama, please come back to Ayodhya." Like that, while moving to tears, everybody started requesting Rama. And also, on other hand, all the people started appreciating Sthira Pratignyata, Sthira Pratignatvam, Avekshya Harshitaha. Whatever he said to his father, he is now stick to those words. That is where people are expressing their happiness about Rama's great standing on the words that he gave to father. And also not only just people, but all the Rutvijas, great Acharyas also moving to tears with both kind of feelings. One is grief, other one is happiness after seeing Rama's great stable mind. Naigamayudha Vallabhaha, all Ganamukhyas, all the great leaders also moving to tears. Mataraha, all the mothers also moving to tears. All people at once again started saying, Pranamya Ramancha Yayachire Saha. While all of them doing namaskaram to Rama, they are all requesting Rama to come back to Ayodhya. Having captivated all the minds of all people, Sri Ramachandra Swami now responding back to Bharata, saying that, "Oh Bharata, being a Kshatriya, you shouldn't be talking like this. Oh Bharata, you know what? What happened is when our father Dasaratha Maharaju marrying our mother Kaikamma, at that time our father gave a word to Kaikamma's father saying that the son who is going to be born to Kaikamma will become a king of this kingdom." That word our father gave. Not only that, Bharata, when there was a big battle, Daivasurecha Sangrame, the Sangramam, battle between Devatas and Danavas, at that time, when our father helped Devatas, our mother Kaikamma did so much seva to our father Dasaratha Maharaju. At that time, our father felt so happy with all the service our mother Kaikamma did. Father said, "I am going to give 2 boons to you." That is what our father gave a word to Mother Kaikamma. Those 2 boons Mother Kaikamma asked now. First boon is Tavarajyam, your Pattabhishekam, first boon. Second boon is Mama Pravrajanam, my Vanavasam. Bharata, listen to me carefully. That is why I came along with Sita Lakshmana to this forest, decided to stay here in the forest to stand on whatever the word our father gave to Mother Kaikamma. So also you should be doing the same. Kshiprameva Abhishechanat. That is why you go back to Ayodhya and get Pattabhishekam done and start ruling the kingdom. To stand, to make sure that all the words given by our father to mother should come real. you have to be doing the same thing. Bharata, you said, you asked me to make sure that whatever the mistakes our father has done should be corrected by me, you said, right? Now you go ahead and get Pattabhishekam done, start ruling the kingdom. On behalf of me, you make sure all the mistakes done by our father corrected by you. You do that on behalf of me. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.